The AVL Industrial Dobby Loom, or simply IDL, offers a vast range of weaving options for both small-scale production and industrial sample weaving applications. Developed by AVL's own engineering team, the IDL combines a blend of advanced electronics and pneumatics with AVL's time-tested loom technology. AVL has been building Dobby looms since 1977. Considered the industrial standard throughout the world, AVL has truly grown to become a global organization, with Dobby looms currently installed and operating in over 70 countries. In 1982, the reliable electronic AVL CompuDobby system was added to the original hand loom developed by our founder, Jim Ahrens. Rarely have such old and new technologies blended together so appropriately. The lifting motion of the IDL is controlled by the same basic electronics as our time-tested CompuDobby system. Many components of the IDL represent the union of new technology with AVL's years of experience in the field of weaving and loom design. The Dobby unit on the IDL will accommodate up to 24 harnesses. Its design features a machined plate that rides on specially manufactured slide rods and linear bearings. These high-grade components ensure a smooth and accurate action, which requires minimal maintenance or attention of any kind. Thanks to the meticulous design considerations, this Dobby system offers an amazingly clean, even, and open shed, even when using all 24 harnesses. As a result of the convenient link to the controlling computer, patterns can be changed in a matter of seconds. The computer is housed in a separate dust and vibration-free console which stands next to the loom. All of the components within the console are easily accessible to simplify adjustment and maintenance operations. The industrial Dobby loom is powered primarily by compressed air. A compressor with a minimum capacity of 18 cubic feet per minute is required to power the pneumatic components of the loom. Air power combined with advanced electronics is a key feature in the design of the IDL. It increases longevity, decreases vibration, and keeps the loom very clean and easy to operate and maintain. Standard household voltage is all that is required to power the computer and electronic components. The heart of the electronic system is the programmable logic controller. This unit keeps track of all input and output signals and directs the actual motions that the loom makes during its weaving cycle. The controller also keeps track of all stop motions, allowing the loom to run and stop at the appropriate times. Adjustable shock absorbers smooth out the various motions of the loom, ensuring the smoothest, quietest, and most vibration-free operation possible. Another benefit of the IDL is its advanced use of photoelectric and fiber optic sensors throughout the loom. The sensors and magnetic reed switches constantly monitor all motion and feed data back to the PLC for evaluation. For example, if a shuttle is not received in the box when it is supposed to be, photoelectric sensors will signal the computer to stop the loom until the problem is remedied. If there is a break in the filling yarn, or if a shuttle runs out of yarn, sensors will halt operations until the situation is corrected. Safety is an important feature of the IDL. The loom will automatically stop off if yarns break or shuttles don't box properly. Also, there is a control panel with color-coded push buttons, conveniently located at the center of the loom. This is where the weaver starts and stops the loom. The IDL also has a manual mode that allows the operator to run through each operation of the loom. This is particularly handy when starting a new weave or testing new weaving yarns. A drop wire system for the warp is also available as an option. This system will stop the loom in the event of a broken warp yarn. The IDL is an extremely versatile weaving machine. It will weave a wide variety of warps and wefts. Both spun yarns of natural and man-made fibers, as well as filament yarns in a wide variety of counts, are all accommodated. The IDL performs well with medium-density cotton, heavy novelty yarns, chenelles, and even slubby and nubby yarns. The IDL comes in two widths, 24 inches and 60 inches. This allows for creation of a wide variety of fabrics. Both machines come standard with AVL's celebrated automatic warp tension system. The IDL can use either one or two individually tensioned sectional or standard warp beams. The tension system is sensitive and maintains a constant tension from the first yard to the last. The finished fabric is wound on a slip-free gear-driven take-up with a sliding pick density system. This pneumatically driven take-up is unique in the industry. It is extremely easy to adjust and provides the weaver with a wide range of possible picks per inch for any given weave. The loom itself is constructed of sturdy northern ash hardwood with extra heavy members on the side frame and cross members to help ensure rigidity and reduce vibration. All components are of the highest grade available. Customer support is important at AVL. It's also very important to our clients.
The customer support has always been excellent from day one. They're a small group of people. They make probably the best loom, I consider the best loom on the market. And their support is excellent in that they have an 800 number. You can call in. You usually get the person you need to talk to right away. I can have parts overnighted. They're very sympathetic to your changing needs and try to design and develop components, if they're not already on the loom, to meet those needs, which is a great benefit.
Shuttles are an important component of the IDL. They allow the small-scale mills to weave with clean and even selvages. For weaves that require a true continuous selvage, shuttles are the only way to go. The 4x4 shuttle box system can be programmed to accommodate 1 to 7 fly shuttles. This box motion can be easily changed by the controlling software. Each IDL comes complete with its own computer and controlling software. The software controls the lifting sequence of the harnesses as well as the shuttle box motion. This software also has full-featured design capabilities, and you can use it to design the fabrics you will by weaving on your IDL. Extra harnesses and warp beams are available for off-loom warping. Another handy accessory is the AVL automatic bobbin winder. Designed as a component to the IDL, this winder is perfect for preparing bobbins for the IDL fly shuttles. The AVL Industrial Dobby Loom is a clean, safe, and powerful piece of industrial machinery. It will have a positive impact on your business, as it has in numerous weaving operations around the country and throughout the world. It is equally appropriate in cottage industries and large textile operations and everything in between. It has been designed to be safe, easy to operate, and easy to maintain. It requires very little in the way of technical background to operate this loom, and no technician is required to maintain it. The AVL Industrial Dobby Loom is far easier to use than any other power loom. It is far superior to any hand loom. With the opportunity for reduced labor, less repetitive motion, and increased productivity, it is likely that the IDL may be just what you need in your weaving business.